Alright guys, welcome back. Callie here, my mechanic. This next video we're going to show you some basics on doing a chemical block test. We have our mini chemistry set here that we're going to show you how to use. Very simple, no big deal. We're going to be using a two-stage block tester, okay? The old ones was just one big chamber before. So if you accidentally sucked up some coolant and stuff, it would make the chemical change and then it would give you a false positive. So what they did here on this design that came out many years ago is that you put the chemical on the top only, okay? You don't put it on the bottom. The bottom, as you could tell, so you can tell if you sucked in some antifreeze or coolant or whatever it is in there, water, whatever, and it doesn't mix so that it doesn't fool you, okay? So pretty much going to show you a basic. It's very simple. Use it. Fill it to the fill line and, let it pull in some of the whatever gases are in there and watch to see if the fluid changes color, okay? So stick around and we'll get down to it right now, all right? Oh, one more thing. Never open a pressurized cooling system, especially when it's hot, because it has a big potential to injure you, okay? So if you're not sure, not familiar with it, don't touch it. Let somebody that knows what they're doing, or somebody give you advice that knows what they're doing. Okay, so stick around and we'll get down to it right now. All right. All right, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a block tester. This is a two-stage block tester. There you go. All right. Okay. See right there. See that line? This one right here. It says fill line on it. Okay, that's where you want to put your chemical. Okay, you don't put it in the bottom chamber, put it in the top chamber, okay? And I'll show you why. And this will be block test fluid. This is from Napa. It's about $7-8, okay? Let's get to it. Alright guys, this is a 2013 Durango. I'm going to show you how to do a block test. Never open it hot, okay? So I want to make sure that it's not pressurized. Come on. Go ahead and you can grab the upper hose, squeeze it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, there we go. Squeeze the hose. And you can tell there's no pressure. Alright. Once you do that, safely open it. The first position allows you to do this. If there's pressure, it'll back out right now. And then you press down. Okay. Now, one indication that there's a problem, as you will notice here, see all that crud buildup? Plastic should be black. It's a plastic tank. But it's got a bunch of crud buildup. Let me see if I can stick my finger in there. And there you are. See all that crud? Yeah, there you go. Most likely there's a problem. See that? Let's see, come on. There we go. Yeah, there we are. So you know there's a problem in there somewhere, okay? Let's go ahead and get to the block test. And that's just with the engine off. There we go. Nice burning. This is what we want to see. Let's turn this damn thing off. Now that we turned it off, see what's going on there? That's coolant down there. Okay? This is why you have this two-stage one. You don't put fluid. You don't put leak detection fluid on the bottom, you only put it on the top. And this is in case it gets contaminated. If it does, it'll turn yellow. And you think that there's a problem, but there's not. You just got coolant in there. So that's why these two-stage ones are good. Some people think you have to fill it up here. You don't. Okay? There we go.
pause that for a second. That damn fucking speedway here. There we go. Auto pause to apparently not. Here we go. What it should look like if there's no problem. This is without the engine running, just get whatever's in there, and this is running as you can see, okay? Nice and yellow. Definitely has a problem.
Alright, as you guys can see, it's very simple to do a block test. You just have to be careful. The cooling system is not pressurized. When you open it, it's hot. Just know the do's and don'ts, okay? If you're not sure, ask someone that knows or someone to help you that has knowledge or experience, okay? That being said, it doesn't matter what vehicle it is. They're pretty much all the same. The chemical is going to go from blue to green to yellow, okay? So the faster it does it, the worse it is, you know, or the more the accumulated gases are in there, okay? So pretty much this is what we use here. Napa fluid test, block tester. It's about $7 or $8 in Napa, very inexpensive. It does a whole bunch of them, okay? I mean, if they could make a smaller bottle, I would get one, but they don't seem to. Because as you can see, I don't use very much. I've only done a few of them, okay? And here's the nice blue color. I don't know if you guys can see how pretty it is, you know. And here's the fill line right there, okay? So, right there pretty much. I usually go a little under it, but you only put it on the top, remember, okay? Put it on the bottom, it does nothing. Because if that's your fail-safe, so you won't get a false positive where you get coolant in there and it changes the chemical and then makes you think that it failed when in reality you just didn't do the test correctly, okay? Or drain enough coolant from the radiator so that, you know, that won't happen, okay? So that pretty much concludes the video. Cali here from our K-Bar Garage. Till the next time.